This is pretty normal that we start our career from 20 to 30,000 rupees. In 2 to 3 years, we reach up to 50 to 60,000 rupees, and in 7 to 8 years, we touch a six-figure salary. Non-stop experience and smart switches will make you able to achieve all this. However, we could be able to achieve all these things in a more rapid pace in less time if we smartly work on our competence. First of all, we need to change this mindset that if we will have a reference, then we will get a job. If we will get a job, then only we will be able to understand all these things or activities or processes. It's a very famous quote that the best investment you can make is the investment in yourself. It's always worth it. Sooner or later, it will give you a return. So keep on upgrading and updating yourself, whatever position you are in at present. Just don't rely and depend the career growth on your years of experience. Investment does not only mean to invest financially. There are a lot of platforms where you can learn things free of cost. So invest your time there, get the competence on the topic, on the subject, and improve your skills. For last few weeks, I am getting lot of CVs from the fresh graduates, and when I send these CVs to the organization, the first response which I receive is, Shahryar, everything is almost common in all the CVs. What is the difference? Just names are different. Exactly. Everyone is BS in food science and technology, one final year project with no publication, one internship in a food industry for 15 to 30 days, attended few trainings and seminars, and if we calculate the total duration of such trainings, conferences and seminars, it will not make more than 20 to 22 hours. Most of the CVs have missing these strong skills, subject expertise, field of interest, publications, blogs, articles, videos. There are a lot of other innovative things you can do and make your CV strong. For example, there is a Facebook page with a title Food, Jobs, Internship, and Food Info. First of all, do like this page. This page will really help you in your job search. If you can see the last 30 posts in that page, you will find that out of 30, 15 industries want applicants to have knowledge on HACCP, good grip on food safety standards. It is very easy to get yourself expert on HACCP, food safety standards, ISO 22000, halal food management system by doing just simple things. For example, my channel has more than 100 videos including 20 plus live sessions covering different aspects of quality and food safety. My advice is to watch them on repeat, read different articles, try to make documents, formats, procedures for a random industry. Take guidance and help from the experts and from your seniors, that how to make this document and how to make that procedure. They will definitely help you. And then you can write on your CV with confidence that having expertise on quality and food safety standards. Yes, there is nothing wrong in claiming that without having formal training or experience. Self study is equally fine. Please do such things and make your CV different from others. I'm not talking about the layout, I'm talking about the points which you need to mention on your CV. I wish you all the best for your job search. I will see you in next video. Thank you.